So man, welcome to another day of a day trader on Sunday. Welcome to another day.
So what's good, man? Good morning. Someone asked me like, day traders, what do you do on weekends? Well, let me show you exactly what do we do on weekends. First off, it's like 11 a.m. I know it's kind of late. I woke up at 9 a.m. And I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna hit the gym really soon. Hit some back. Pause. I'm gonna hit back, do some back and arms. Pretty calm session, and then I'm gonna hit the sauna, cold shower. You know the deal, the routine, and being productive. Maybe record like one video. After that, to YouTube. Just staying productive, okay? Because if you are a day trader or a swing trader or a scalper or whatever you do, you have to first ask yourself a question before you know what to do on weekends. Are you profitable? Are you not profitable? If you are profitable, if you are making money consistently in these markets, then do like I told you, okay? Develop yourself. Always you should develop yourself. But if you're not making money in these markets, you are unprofitable, then what you can do is backtest. Do whatever it takes. Do not try and find a new strategy in the markets. Master the current one, okay? That's like one thing you have to understand, okay? The grass is not greener on the other side, okay? You have to understand that. This strategy is not better than this strategy. Obviously, some strategies suck, but you need to understand that, okay? How can you understand that? Well, use the strategy that you have currently and later you'll realize is it good or not, okay? But always have risk management. Always never ever risk too much of your account. So that's what's up, man. So that's what you can do if you're unprofitable, but always be a lifelong student. Okay, I'm a lifelong student. Even though I make money in these markets, you have to understand that. But that's what's up. I'm gonna now eat a little bit of food, drink some more coffee, drink some more water, stay hydrated. Then I'm gonna hit the gym, like I told you, arms and back. Let's have a great ass Saturday. Saturday. Let's develop, become better in every single aspect of our lives. Alright, man, so what's good? So I'm soon do the weekly market analysis with the Discord, and if you want to join, it should be the first link in the description. You can join it, and I'll see you there. But like, if you're serious, but yeah, man, I'll do it really soon, the analysis, and tomorrow we'll be live trading. Obviously, we'll live trade every single day with the team. But yeah, man, Sunday, really good day. It shouldn't be a day off. Like weekends, you should never take a day off. And I'm not talking about trading. Obviously, take a day off. Take 2 days off from trading because it's weekend. Obviously, because you shouldn't trade on weekends. You cannot trade on weekends unless you trade crypto. Or if you're a fucking swing trader. But regardless, take action. Always take action. Never slack. Never slack. Because think about it, bro. We do not know how much time we have in this planet. So make the most out of the day. Win every single day. You need to win every single day. How do you win a day? For me personally, I have like 3 main tasks that I need to achieve. And if I achieve those tasks within the day, then it means I will win the day. And those tasks literally can be like, oh yeah, record one video, take a trade or something like that, etc. Those were just an examples, but you need to know what kind of tasks do you need to do to get towards your goals. If you're unprofitable in trading, you can literally be like backtest for 2 hours. Make sure to journal your trades. It can be whatever, or like go to the gym. Okay, so make sure to do those, and you need to just win every single day. When you win the day, you can win the week. When you win the week, you can win the month. When you win the month, you can win the year, etc. And if you really can manage to win a year, without one single day off, bro, I can literally guarantee you're unbeatable, and you probably at that point you already have achieved a big part of your goals. Depends how big they are. You should always aim to the moon. Even though I'm profitable, I'm not saying that I'm where I want to be. No. Why the fuck would I grind then? Obviously, I would. Even though if I would be at my goals, I would always grind. But you know, one of my goals were to be profitable at trading. I've been profitable for 1.5 years. Currently it is just capital wise. You know, I'm growing my capital, allowing it to expand. You know, I'm not taking that many withdrawals from my account. Sometimes here and there, I could take like a good amount, but I really just don't want to take that many withdrawals from my account because I want it to expand and multiply so I can make more money. You know, once you have the skill, man, it's all about consistency. It's all about just making sure that you take the right trades. It's all about showing up every single day, and it's all about just capital. You know, obviously, I think I could, if I would just over risk, obviously I could get to much faster, like big numbers, like big numbers. Obviously, I'm doing pretty good. Like couple of like 2 weeks ago, I had my biggest day, which was 1.5K. I'm really proud of that, but I'm not satisfied. You know, that's the mindset you need to have, man. So I'm just grind, man. I'm a grind. But I'm gonna do the weekly market analysis really soon with the Discord. Yeah, I will see you there. What is a weekly market analysis? It is basically an overview of the upcoming week in the markets. And also we're gonna go through the days where we're gonna trade, we're gonna not trade if there's like super crazy news. For example, tomorrow is Fetcher Powell speaks. But, however, we can trade if the session looks really good. However, we have to keep in mind that tomorrow is Monday. We have Fetcher Powell speaks later in the day. That's like way later in the day, okay? And you know, it's Monday, so the price action can be kind of crazy. It's gonna be kind of crazy, but obviously, let's do the weekly market, the bias really soon. What is a bias? That is the price action overview. But let's check the days first because we have to understand obviously which days are we gonna trade, which days should we perhaps de-risk. Alright, man, I just finished up live streaming with my students in the Discord with the premium members, and we had an amazing live stream. I did the weekly market analysis, weekly bias, went through the days, which days are we gonna trade live, which days are we not gonna trade live, and we did the whole analysis of the upcoming week. In the beginning of the week, are we gonna buy or are we gonna sell? Yeah, man. Tomorrow is gonna be the last day of the month. Perhaps lower volume. We have Fetcher Powell speaks later in the day, so probably gonna trade like 30 minutes in this session. You know, it's kind of most like if I take a trade, I'm gonna de-risk heavily on tomorrow. It's Monday plus, you know, last trading day of the month. Alright, man, you have to stay tuned. Why? Because I'm gonna go to this private place with my friends. Luxury, man. It's like swimming pool, free, like whole freaking place with billiard boards. I think there's like a movie theater for us only for us. Like a private place, private equity, and sauna. There's everything, bro, for us, and like music, jacuzzis. All right, so I'm gonna go there, see my friends, and I'm gonna take my camera with me, make this vlog even better, man. You know, day in the life, Sunday, because you know, gotta get this new month starting October. Okay, I know tomorrow is still one day of September, but then October, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go there now, and I'll update you guys, man. Jump in. What's up? Yeah, man, we out here. Yo, man, so we out here. You see this nice little place, spa. Welcome to another day.
So man, welcome to another day of a day trader on Sunday.
Man, I made it home, ate a bunch of food. My phone died, bro. My phone died in there. But you know what? It doesn't really matter. Like, I don't gotta record every single stuff. But, you know, I'm just being real, being me. That was a calm Sunday, getting ready for the new trading week. And if you want to be a part of my schedule, man, if you want to live trade with me every single day, make money with me, learn, etc., then it should be the first link in the description. But yeah, man, keep it up, bro. If you want to join for free, the link should be also in the description. Get the free course, etc. Community. Keep it up, bro. Whatever your goals are, I do believe in you. I believe in you because everything in this world is possible. Okay, everything. And it just hurts, you know, nowadays when I see some people with such a limited belief about things. Oh, this thing is so expensive. Oh, this thing is that. Oh, I cannot afford this. Oh, how can people have money? How can people make money out of thin air? Oh, how is it possible to be profitable in trading, man? It just hurts, bro. Like, not for me, but it hurts to see that people have that belief because I'm gonna be realistic. If you have a belief that you cannot make it, you're not gonna make it. Why? Because it all starts here, bro. I've said this before, but it really all starts here. Because think about it. If you cannot believe it, who else will? If you cannot believe it, you simply won't do the effort that is needed to get there. It all starts here, okay? And then, once it's here, you gotta actually produce it, use the energy to make it real, okay? I was losing for 2 years straight, okay, my trading. But I believed. I saw other people do it. Social proof. Boom. I've been profitable for 1.5 years, going up, okay? That's what you gotta do. And obviously, competition, who the fuck cares about competition, bro? Like in day trading, it's just you versus the markets. It's you versus you. You are the competition. You just gotta work harder, bro. Keep it up, bro. I believe in you. And as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.